Warda,
Yes, sister.
do you have some coin? I want to borrow.
You wanna borrow my coin?
Yeah.
But it's so dirty.
Oh, why is so dirty?
I don't know, maybe it's been 10 years in my desk.
I think if this one passed to another person, maybe not good. Let's clean this one first before we use it.
Okay.
Okay, let's clean together. Let's clean in our lab.
So sister, what we need to prepare?
So what we need to prepare first, we need to gather all the coins here from all the members.
Oh,
And then we need to prepare the vinegar. You can take it from your kitchen, or if you have acetic acid in your lab, you can use also this one, salt, or you can use also NaCl. And we will use water.
Hot water or just ordinary water? Cold water?
Normal room temperature water is also okay, but if we need like faster reaction, like activation energy higher, I mean will be helpful if we use hot water.
Okay.
So let's use like hot water. Then put the hot water, maybe about 100 milliliter. And then we put the salt inside.
Maybe not so full, spoonful. No?
After about 20 minutes, so after 30 minutes, we can see the color of the solution here turns a little bit to green, and then the color of coins is turned to become red. And then we need to rinse first before we dry these coins. So now we are trying this first. We'll dry first. Okay, before cleaning, we have many like dirt here also, even the green color. And after cleaning, we can see more copper color because this metal, this coin made of copper. Hello everyone, my name is Fatima.
My name is Warda.
We are
May.
Warda. The last time we tried to clean many coins.
Yep. And we made it, right?
Yeah, we made it. So first one, the coin color was yellowish green.
That's right.
So after cleaning, what is the color?
After cleaning, it came back to its original color, which is red.
More red, right?
Yeah.
So do you know why that color become like red?
Maybe from the material side, it's because the material used for the coin.
can you suggest what is the material?
Probably copper.
Yes, I think so. It might contain copper. And actually from our discovery, and we will put the link, the coin of Korean won 10, it's dominated by copper. So let's break down the composition. So Korean coin.
So guys, we use 10 won.
10 won, right? And actually we used the edition from 1982 until 2005.
2005.
So the current one, we have a lighter and smaller size, which
Yep.
is made of aluminum and covered by the copper. But this edition, 1982 until 2005, it's
Copper
made of
dominated.
copper with the composition of 65%
65.
weight, and the rest is zinc, about 35%. And do you know these two metals will become alloy? How we call this one?
We call this brass.
Right, this brass. And when compared to its original elements, this brass has more resistant toward corrosion. But yeah, over time, with high moisture, and then when we touch the coin, we also generate like sweat, and in the sweat also we can find like salt.
Salt, yeah.
And because of this, they undergo corrosion.
Yeah.
So the corrosion product will be formed on top of the coin surface. So let's also break down the corrosion of the copper. Corrosion of copper. So you still remember the copper formula?
For copper, yeah, element symbol, I can say it's Cu, right? And I can it reminds me of convenience store.
Convenience store in Korea,
in
right?
Korea, yeah.
Right. So it's
Cu,
but lower case of U, and then I put S here because the solid.
Yep.
And then with oxygen in the air and with moisture, this one would generate
CuO,
copper oxide. And then it's also solid. So this one not balanced yet. I put half here. So maybe some reaction also will generate Cu2O, not directly CuO, but over time, this compound CuO, copper oxide, is more stable than Cu2O.
2O.
So in the end, it would also form CuO.
Okay.
Like so this one is like kind of final product CuO. And you still remember what kind of material we use for cleaning the corrosion product like CuO?
Of course, sister. All of the ingredients that we used can easily find in our kitchen, in our home. So the first one that we use is vinegar and salt, also water, hot water.
Hot water. Why we need hot water?
Because we need to make the reaction faster.
Yes, usually in general. Like
Yeah,
that,
in
right?
general.
Because the dirt is also not only coming from the corrosion product, but also from the fat that generate from our hands. Like
Yep.
so thick dirt, this kind of fat derived dirt can be dissolved well in high temperature of
High
water.
temperature of water.
And also, as you mentioned, it would activate the reaction faster.
So we don't need like long time to make the coin clean, right?
Right. So you can save your time. But still, we can use a cold water also, but
Yep.
it just take more time.
Take more time.
Okay. Let's also discuss together, learn together how to remove this kind of corrosion.
So we jump to
And
the
dirt.
reaction now.
Right. So, reaction during cleaning. During cleaning. The first one is about dissolution of
Dissolution.
vinegar
Oh.
and
And salt.
NaCl or salt.
Yeah, NaCl.
First one, vinegar. So we have
CH3 COOH.
CH3COOH, and inside the water will be dissolved into
CH3
CHCOO minus CH3COO minus plus
H plus.
H plus. Okay, how about NaCl?
NaCl will be Na plus and Cl minus.
Right. This one actually we already learned in high school, right? And after dissolution of these compounds, now we are cleaning the corrosion product. So the next one is formation of copper salt.
Copper salt.
Not copper oxide, but copper salt.
Copper salt.
So first, you still remember, like copper oxide.
Yeah.
It was solid, but when they enter the environment with acid inside and chloride. This one I put this here, and this would be dissolved into copper 2 plus, and also we would generate H2O and still chloride ion here. So let's see, this one not balanced yet, right? Here we have H2, here we need to add 2, so 2H plus.
Sister,
Yes.
when we were having the experiment, we can see the bubbles, right?
Right.
Is it part of the reaction also?
Right. You are such a detailed person, so we will talk also about the bubble. But before this, we have one more reaction. So the dirt we have here, copper oxide plus CH3COOH, when react, it would generate copper salt. The reaction is like this: 2 plus H2O. So here we need to make it balanced, right?
Yep.
By putting these 2 in front of this, and then H become 2, and then this one, right?
Wow.
Okay,
We can explain this chemically.
Yeah, and this is the copper salt. And then about the bubble, your question.
Yep.
Bubble formation. Actually, bubble is also the side reaction during the cleaning. Bubble must be gas, right? So we will have gas in the end. So it's generated from H plus. So plus electron inside. For example, 2H plus and 2 electron become hydrogen gas, like H2.
H2. Wow.
H2 gas. And also some dirt contain carbonate. So for example, if you know the Liberty statue,
Yep. Wow, everyone knows
Yeah.
Liberty Statue, I
the
think.
green color actually is come from the corrosion product called patina.
Patina.
And inside they contain carbonate. So carbonate in the acidic solution, they will undergo the formation of carbon dioxide gas. So not only H2 gas or hydrogen gas, but also it may generate carbon dioxide gas.
Carbon dioxide gas.
Right.
So if we want to see how patina looks like, we can just see the current color of Liberty Statue, right?
Right. And for Indonesia nowadays, we also have building
Yeah,
made
new building.
from copper on the outer part, and then they intentionally make the corrosion of this building going faster, right? And then it was like brown, red like color, and nowadays become green,
Yep.
right? And how do you know the name of this building?
The name of this building is Garuda.
Istana Garuda.
Yeah, Istana Garuda.
And in English we can
Garuda
say
Kingdom.
Garuda Palace or
Garuda Palace.
yeah, like that. So now we learn about many things, right?
Yeah, that's right. Even we can see, like, yeah, we need to make it corroded for some reasons also.
Because it would generate beautiful green color. And for us, if we have the 4 coin, unfortunately it doesn't look so good
Yeah.
when we have that one, and when we feel it in our hand, it doesn't feel so well. So it's better for us to clean it.
So
Right.
now also people can clean their coin, or yeah, their coin money at home. So don't worry about it. Just clean it, and you can use your clean coin from now
Right.
on
Because we can find all the ingredients in
at
your
home.
home.
Yeah.
So you can find your sister or brother or your kids, and then do this activity together, and also try to explain the science behind it. Okay, so we will have another experiment maybe in next upcoming video.
Yep, that's
So
right,
until
sister.
then, see you.
See you.